Hi guys and welcome on GSM ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to remove Bixby from the power button on Samsung Galaxy 6 series. So here is my Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, and if I will push on the power button like this, Bixby will open and I don't like it. And to remove Bixby, it is very easy. You need to go to all apps and here tap on settings. Now go down and we have here advanced features. Let's enter inside, go down again, and here is customize buttons. Let's go inside again. And we have here press and hold. Now it's selected Bixby, but you can remove Bixby and just select power off menu like this. And now let's exit. Okay. And let's test this feature. So I will push again on the power button, push it long. And now, as you can see, Bixby disappear, and you can turn off very easy your watch. So I did it. This was my tutorial for today. I hope to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.